going to St. Anne's Preparatory School. This isn't a story about a phone. It's a story about relationship. I picked up the phone now. That was a crazy ride. Motorcycles are basically the equivalent of taxis here. I'm meeting with a client today from Nigeria. She flew 7 hours just to come and meet, just for 24 hours. And so I feel really honored that she would do that. She arrived last night at around 1:30 a.m. She wanted a familiar face when she arrived at the airport. We didn't get home till probably around 2:30, 2:45, like close to 3 o'clock in the morning. And today, she told me, oh no, I left my phone in the car. Okay, we'll go to the school and we'll go and pick it up. And so we picked it up. It's not about client meetings, it's relationship building. Good morning. How are you? We have a pool and everything down here.
Go on TripAdvisor.
This is unique to here. When I go to other places, I don't hear that. I'm here with Terae.
I've worked in technology for over 20 years. I studied mass communication. Where I thrive is making technology easy for people to understand. So when cell phones came out, when PCs came out, a lot of females were like,
a fellow geek. Yeah.
I see two sides to education. There's a private education. There's been a lot of investment over the years, and there's a public education which hasn't seen a lot of investment. Really no change over the last 20, 30 odd years. We're looking at going from using maybe blackboards straight into interactive touchscreens. Okay, so you have the board, you have internet access, but you have no power. Once you put technology in the classroom, you get their backs up. And we want you to stick with the job of teaching. We need to provide, the right environment that would make the teacher comfortable. So you can't go wrong. If you own a phone, you can use what we provide. The applications on the phone are very similar to the applications that will come on the board. No. We're not asking you to throw away your existing investment. What we're saying is we're enhancing what you have.
You flew down just for today. Thank you so much for making the big trip.
I got a call from Harry. There was a project that we're working on in Uganda. They're rebuilding a school that had been run down and they were just sort of trying to get it up. That's something we're really passionate about. And we are looking at offering a board to St. Anne's Prep.
That's really exciting. Thank you so much for doing that.
My pleasure.
You really appreciate it. Terae and I are headed towards the St. Anne Preparatory School. Oh my goodness, look at how deep that is. And that's going to be a source of water for them. Terae?
Hi.
And WowBii, she's from Nigeria. She flew in for this. Oh, so is the tank going to be above ground?
Yes.
So I said to him, we'll be happy to donate a board.
Amazing. We expect the standards to raise it. Really, we want to have a proper running of the school.
Just needs a ceiling now.
Well done.
It's like a TV that you can touch.
Oh my God.
Yeah. That's the thing. The kids will learn it better. We're back with Queensley. The second day, you're seeing some of the progress. What do you think?
The work is moving on so fast. Great hope is all by you friends. Ed from Canada, Terae from Nigeria. I know that we are so grateful. We just wait to see how many children are going to enjoy. I joined the school in '84, about 8 years old. I was able to get one of the best schools in the country. I graduated as a teacher in early childhood development. I train teachers as well. We want to have the name of the school back again. You're helping us to make the school modern. It was a lost place. It was abandoned. The buildings were shattered. But right now there is hope. Renovating the school and bring it back again into existence is very incredible.
It's more than just a school renovation. It's a part of your history.
We are coming back home, making it better.
Wow.
on 8,000 US.
You just mentioned the need and people are willing to give.
Right. That means a lot for this project, so I'm a little
does.
touched.
That's awesome. It's pretty dark right now. There's a blackout, and this typically happens in Uganda. I got some really exciting news from Terae. St. Anne's Preparatory School will be designated a Bud Zone school. We will donate an interactive screen, a 3D printer, online teacher development, and extend our teacher recognition program to teachers of St. Anne's Preparatory School. We're going to totally flip this school around. If you look at it, like, it looks so clean now, a miraculous message. So I'm really excited to share it with you, and the good news just keeps coming in. Like yesterday, Bank said he just received a donation for $8,000 US just to help rebuild the fences and the walls that were needed in the school. We're really fortunate that we have all these amazing partners that just want to contribute to it. I've been really blessed to be a part of this. I think we're going to try out some of the traditional food here. I think they're just cooking stuff on the street. Are you ordering some popcorn?
I want to buy some for the school.
Oh, that would be cool. What's your name?
Henry?
Henry. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
To see you.
I just told the team the news. What do you guys think? Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And if you'd like to be notified when new videos come out, click the bell.